Ever wonder how those super thin silicon wafers power your smartphones and computers? It all starts with precision quartz milling machines that carve these delicate components with incredible accuracy. These aren't your ordinary cutting tools. They use specialized quartz bits that can work at microscopic levels without damaging the silicon. The process requires extreme stability and control, with temperature and vibration management to prevent any imperfections. Each wafer undergoes multiple milling stages, creating the perfect surface for microchips and electronic circuits. What makes quartz so special? Its hardness and thermal properties make it ideal for handling silicon without contamination. Modern milling machines incorporate automated systems that adjust in real time, ensuring consistent quality across thousands of wafers. This technology enables the production of thinner, more efficient wafers that drive advancements in computing and renewable energy. From smartphones to solar panels, these precision-milled wafers are at the heart of today's most innovative technologies. The future holds even more exciting developments as milling techniques evolve to support next-generation electronics. Understanding this process gives us appreciation for the incredible engineering behind the devices we use every day.